As today's yawn-producing episode titled Too Many Cookouts Spoil the Food begins, we find Lieutenant Niblick on his front front lawn, trying to set up a hammock.
There's a lot of geometry involved in setting one of these blasted contraptions up. Unfortunately, geometry was not one of my stronger suits. Now, let's see. Place tab A into slot B. Now connect the nearly fabricated pachylomer into the retrofitted marzipan. That's it. Now I just...
And as Dirk continued to attempt to relax, right next door to his house, this scene was taking place with his neighbor, Mr. Beasley, and a door-to-door saleswoman.
You say you're selling hot dogs and buns door to door?
That's right. Millie's, weenies, and rolls.
Well, this is the most fortunate stroke of plot line because I just happen to be hosting a cookout tomorrow.
Well, that's good. Now, how many people will you be serving?
Sweeney Todd won't be able to make it, so I won't be serving any people, just hot dogs.
The thrust of my query was a feeble attempt to ascertain the number of guests who will be attending your outdoor gala.
Well, everyone who was invited, I guess.
And what would that number be?
17.
A fine number, if I may say so.
Oh, well, go ahead. I wouldn't let it be said that I'm the type of individual who would deprive a woman of saying a fine number.
Millie's weenies come 12 to a package. The hot dog rolls come 8 to a package.
I understand fully.
Now, if you buy 1 package of hot dogs and 1 package of rolls, you will have 4 hot dogs without rolls.
I'll be the laughing stock of the social world. What if I buy 2 packages of hot dog rolls?
2 packages will give you 16 rolls.
But I've only got 12 hot dogs. I'm short.
So was my brother, but he made it through life with very few problems.
Really? What did he do?
He was a bodyguard for a wealthy midget. Now, what if you buy a 2nd package of hot dogs?
12 to a pack? That would give me 24 hot dogs.
But you've only got 16 buns.
Great Scott, I may have to cancel the party.
No, sir. Now listen, what we have to do is find the common multiple of these 2 numbers so that they come out even. An equal number of hot dogs and hot dog buns. Do you know how we do that?
Do I look like a man who knows how to do that?
No, you don't.
No, I don't.
To make sure we have the same number of buns and wieners, we multiply the 2 numbers together. Watch.
Wow, you're a whiz.
Thank you. 8 packs of wieners, 12 to a pack. That's 12 times 8, or 96 wieners. 12 packs of rolls, 8 to a pack. That's 12 times 8, or 96 rolls. Wieners and rolls come out even. None left over.
Thank you for entering my life. The party will be a dilly.
Here's your bill, and I'll bring the comestibles by in 38 feet and 10 frames.
Swell. I'm one happy host, and I think I'll tell Dirk Niblick all about my joy.
Mr. Beasley, am I happy to see you?
I don't know, Lieutenant Niblick. I'm not clairvoyant. Or Claire Trevor, for that matter.
I wonder if I might press you into service and ask you to untie this mashugana contraption.
Trying to put up the old hammock again, huh? There you go, Lieutenant. Free as a bird.
Well, thank you ever so. What brings you by my domain, Mr. B?
I just wanted to tell you how wonderful mathematics is. Or are.
Well, yes, it is quite a wonderful subject.
And useful, too. I'm having a cookout tomorrow, as you may or may not know, and I've just ordered the food using mathematics to help determine the quantity.
A cookout, you say? I guess my invitation got lost in the mail.
No, it didn't. I didn't send you one.
Oh.
The reason I didn't send you one is because I didn't want you to show up.
I see, Mr. Beasley.
I was afraid you might put a lampshade on your head and do your impression of Thomas Edison again. I'm kidding you, Lieutenant. Of course you're invited. I just didn't want to waste a stamp on you. Can you come?
I'll be there with bells on.
And you'll then do your impression of Quasimodo, I assume.
Tell me about the math and the food.
Well, the hot dogs are packaged in 12s and the rolls are packaged in 8s.
So you wanted to make sure the 2 came out even, right?
Uh-huh. So Millie, president of Millie's Weenies, showed me how to do that. We multiplied the 2 numbers together to find a common multiple. It's 96.
How many guests are you having?
Well, now that you've conned your way onto the A-list, 18.
You have 96 hot dogs for 18 people.
That does seem like a lot, doesn't it?
Well, I think the hot dog salesman has sold you a plethora of food.
No, just high sodium, high cholesterol.
Well, look here, neighbor Beasley.
Hmm?
You should be looking for the lowest common multiple.
Well, I'll be a son of a sea cook. Dirk has pointed out yet another mathematical fact. I must admit that I don't see it, but perhaps you can if you use your noodle. Find out the smallest number of buns and hot dogs Mr. Beasley could buy if he wants the same number of each. I'll be back pretty quick, just as soon as I take the trash out. Pondered the problem? Did you solve it? I didn't, but I didn't because I knew I could count on you. Let's rejoin the fellows.
Have you found the lowest common multiple, Mr. Beasley?
Is the lowest one the one that's beneath contempt?
How about 0? 0 times 8 equals 0, and 0 times 12 equals 0.
0, of course. 0 is a multiple of 8 and 12. 0 hot dogs will save me a lot of money.
But your guests will be hungry.
So let them bring a sandwich from home.
Now, here's a way to find the common multiples of 8 and 12.
What's that?
The multiples of 8. 0 times 8 is 0. 1 times 8 is 8. 2 times 8 is 16, and so on. Now, look here. This is a list of the multiples of 12.
As much as I like watching you make lists, Lieutenant.
Now, wait just a darn minute. I'm trying to show you how to use mathematics to save money. I ask you this, what numbers are on both lists?
Well, there's the fabled 96.
Yes, but...
Yes, but what?
Yes, but are there others?
The lowest is the dreaded 0.
But the guests will be hungry.
Yes. Well, there's 72, common to both lists.
Right.
48 and 24. The lowest common multiple is 24.
That's right. 24 is the smallest number on both lists.
That means I should buy 2 packages of hot dogs, 12 to a pack, and 3 packages of buns, 8 to a pack. 2 times 12 is 24, and 3 times 8 is 24. I'll save a bloody fortune.
You'd better change your order with Millie the Wiener Woman.
Change it? I'm going to cancel it and go to the market and buy them there. Thank you, Lieutenant. You've opened my orbs once again to the fascinating world of mathematics.
Always happy to help. By the by, what time does that cookout start?
Can I get back to you on that?
And so, once again, our hero has used math and common sense to make life better for another human being. Let's all join together and sing his praises.
These hot dogs are delicious, Wallace.
Oh, well, thank you. Just a little something I threw together at the last minute.
I swear these parties get better every single year.
Thank you, but as you know, guests make the party.
Oh, Wally, you're a very special Beasley. You know what I mean.
Yes, my sweet, but you know I'm promised to a tri-pearlman and goucher.
Excuse me, but who is that creature with a lampshade on his head?
Thomas Alva Niblick. Pay him no mind.